Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. Today we are going to start our class with a vegetable rhyme. The rhyme name is Wonderful Vegetables. What is the rhyme name, children? Wonderful Vegetables. See children, I have tomato, peas, brinjal, potato, onion and carrot. So are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Tomatoes are red, peas are green, brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice which I can drink. Vegetables make me healthy and wise. I will eat them with roti and rice. Children, let's sing one more time. Tomatoes are red, peas are green, brinjal has a crown just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice which I can drink. Vegetables make me healthy and wise. I will eat them with roti and rice. Yes? So children, do you like to eat vegetables? Very good. Always eat vegetables and fruits. It will make you healthy and wise. Okay children? Practice this rhyme. Okay? Now we are going to learn something new in general awareness. Today our topic is plant world. Do you know plants? Yes? Children, tell me how plant grows. Do you know that? Okay, ma'am will tell you. Plant grows from a seed. Yes, children. Plant grows from a seed with the help of sunlight, air and water. This process is called germination. Germination of seed. See? This is germination of seed. Children, this is seed and this is full of soil. Okay? Children, there are few stages how plant grows from seeds. Okay? This is the first stage. And this is seed. Okay? In first stage, sow the seed in the soil. Okay? Then it will absorb water through the seed hole. Okay children? This is seed hole. Then slowly root starts growing. This is root children. Okay? This is root. It grows downwards. Okay? It grows downwards towards the soil. Then in next stage, stem will grow above the soil. See children, this is stem. Okay, stem will grow above the soil. Then after some days, when leaf will come on the stems, see, leaf will come on the stem and flower will come, then it will become a beautiful plant. Okay children, first stage, sow the seed under the soil, then it absorbs a water through a seed hole. After some days, root will grow, then above the soil, stem will grow. Okay, then after few days, leaf will come on the stem and it become a beautiful plant. Okay, this is called germination. Plant grows with the help of sunlight, water and air. Okay children, this process is called germination of seed. Okay, now let's do an activity in germination. Children, see, these are the pictures of germination of seed. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to number the pictures in the sequence of the process of germination. Okay? Which one will be the first stage? Which one will be the second stage? Which we are going to do the number. Okay? Now, can you tell me which will be the first stage? Yes, this will be the first stage. Yes, here seed is inside the soil. Correct? Yes. So, ma'am is going to write here number 1. Yes. Now, which one will be the second? Yes, it absorbs water from seed hole. Right? This is the second. Yes. Now, which one will be the next? Yes, in next stage, the root grows downward, right? Yes. Root grows downward towards the soil. So, which will be the third? Yes, very good children. This one will be the third. Yes. Now, this is number 3. Now, which one will be the number 4? In number 4, stem grows upward, right? Above the soil. Yes, this one will be the number 4. Yes. Now which one will be the last? Yes, very good children. This is the last. Yes, here beautiful plant came, right? This is number 5. Yes. So children, this is our activity of germination of seed. Okay. Practice this activity at home. Now let's move on to the next topic. So children, our next topic is parts of plants. Yes. So we see so many plants around us. They are in different sizes, right? Some plants are big, some plants are small. Yes? So children, there are different parts of the plant. Okay? See, this is root. Okay? Roots are under the soil. Yes? Then this is stem. Stems are above the soil. Yes? Now, children, this is bud. Okay? These are fruits. This is leaf. And these are flowers. Okay? So, what are the parts of the plant? Roots, stem, bud, fruit, leaf and flower. Okay? Children, each part has different functions. Now, let's learn the function of each part. Okay? First one is root. Okay, children? This is root. It fixes the plant in the soil. Okay? It carries water from the soil. Okay? It takes water from the soil. Then next is stem. It gives support to the plant. Okay, children? Stem gives support to the plant. It carries water from root to the leaves. Okay? Next one is bud. Bud, it turns into flower. It becomes a beautiful flower. Then next is fruit. Children, fruit contains seeds. Yes? Mango, lychee, they have one seed. Yes? And papayas, apples, watermelon, they are having so many seeds. Yes? This is fruits. Okay? Next is leaf. Leaf are mostly green in color. Okay? Last one is flower. Okay? We see in most of the plant flowers, but in different shapes, in different colors, in different size. Yes? Flower forms the fruit. Okay, children? So, these are the parts of the plant. Children, do you know plant prepares food? They prepared food with the help of sunlight, water and air. Okay? So, these are the parts of the plants. Roots, stem, bud, fruit, leaf, flower. Okay, children? Very good. Now, let's move on to the next topic. Our next topic is uses of plant. So, children, plants are useful for us in many ways. Plants keep the air clean and fresh. Now let's learn from your book uses of plants. Are you ready? Take out your book fast. So children, see the first picture. Plant give us wood. Okay, plant give us wood, and we are making furnitures like bed, sofa, drum, right, toy, etc. from wood. Okay, and see second one. In second one, there are so many medicines bottles are there. Yes, we get medicine from the plants. Children, do you know from tulsi plant we get medicine to cure fever? Yes, tulsi plant is used to cure fever. Ginger plant is used to cure cough and cold. Yes, and clove is used to cure toothache. Okay, so we get medicines from plants. Next one, see children, we get flowers from the plant, right? See, food for all. We get food from the plants. Not only us, animal also. We get vegetables and fruit from the plant. Yes? Then shelter for animal and birds. Yes, children, plant gives us shade and shelter for animals and birds. Where birds build their nest? Yes, very good children. Birds build their nest on the tree. Yes, so these are the uses of plants. Okay, children, plants are useful for us. Now let's do an activity. See, I have few pictures. Now we are going to tick the pictures that we get from the plants. Okay children, tick the picture that we get from the plant. Now, first one is, see, so many fruits are there. Fruits we get from the plants. Yes, fruits we get from the plants. So, should we tick here? Yes. Now, next picture is milk. Yes? Milk we get from the plant? No. So, should we tick here? No. Very good children. Now, next is ball. Ball we get from the plants? No, right? Yes, so we are not going to tick here. Now last one is, what is that? Yes, rose flower. Rose flower we get from the plant? Superb children, very good. Yes, should we tick mark here? Yes. So this is our activity. Children, practice this activity. Okay? Now let's move on to the next topic. Children, our next topic is care for plants. Do you know how to take care of the plants? See, ma'am is going to show few pictures. Okay, are you ready? See, in first picture, this girl is giving water to the plant. Yes? So children, we should give water to the plant regularly. Are you doing like that? Very good, children. Now, in next picture, see, we should fill the pots with the soil. Okay, children, we should fill the pots with the soil. Now, see, in next picture, what this girl is doing? Is she doing good? No, right? She is plucking the flowers. Right? We should not pluck flowers and leaves. Okay, children? We should not pluck flowers and leaves. And we should not uproot the plants. Okay? We should not uproot the plants. We should not jump and stamp on the plants. Okay, children? Plants are very important for us. They are our best friends. We should grow more and more plants. Okay? So, we should give water regularly and care for them. Are you going to do like that? Yes? Very good. So children, today we have learned about plant world. Yes? Take care of the plants and practice reading. Okay? But before going, let's sing a rhyme. Are you ready? The rhyme name is Farmer Plants the Seed. Okay? Let's start. The farmer plants the seed. The farmer plants the seed. Hee-ho, the dee-dee-ho, the farmer plants the seed. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hee-ho, the dee-dee-ho, the rain begins to fall. The sun begins to shine. The sun begins to shine. Hee-ho, the dee-dee-ho, the sun begins to shine. The plants begins to grow. The plants begins to grow. Hee-ho, the dee-dee-ho, the plants begins to grow. The birds all up and up. The birds all up and up. Hee-ho, the dee-dee-ho, the birds all up and up. The flowers smile at me. The flowers smile at me. Hee-ho, the dee-dee-ho, the flowers smile at me. So children, how was the rhyme? Do you like it? Okay. Now it's bye-bye time. Bye. See you. Take care.